Studies show students who learn science in the school score 60% better from students who just learn science from the book. But a student don't have a chance to go to science lab and make science experiment. This is because lab costs a lot of money for equipment and material. Real experiment can be dangerous, and real experiment take too much time. Students don't have the full day to spend it in the lab. In MENA, many students just memorize science instead of doing it. When they take the exam, they struggle and probably get a poor result. This is why we built Jusoor Labs. Jusoor Labs, it's a virtual science lab platform where a student can learn science by doing the experiment anytime and any place. Now, let me show you how it's works. School subscribe to Jusoor Labs for a year for $10 per user. Once onboarded, every student get access in their tablet, laptop, mobile, and also in VR headset. Students run the experiment safely, online, interactive, and they can repeat the experiment as many times as they want until they fully understand. With more than 300 experiments in Jusoor Labs from physics, chemistry, biology, geology, and general science, we can go multiplayer and we can make all of the science experiment safety anytime and any place. For school, this means a lot of things. Lower lab cost and higher safety and better learning outcome. Students achieve 30% better using the Jusoor Labs compared to students who just learn by traditional lab. In MENA region, we have more than 150,000 K-12 schools, which worth more than $1.3 billion opportunity. So far, we focus on Jordan and Saudi Arabia, which is about $350 million opportunity. Other learning solution, it is video or passive content. Jusoor Labs is full interactive and can student use it in the VR headset with more than voiceover and also multi-language, and also they can repeat it with multi-mode. I am Amin Abu Diak, the founder and CEO of Jusoor Labs, with 7 years of experience working with the tech organization and help millions of students to learn better. My co-founder, Sami Rasikh, he is a serial entrepreneur that established many like company before that each reach $800 million valuation. We are proud to have more than 50 schools in MENA region subscribe to Jusoor Labs. And we are partnership with a major tech player like Accelerator, Becan, Supercharger, and Moodle. We won many prizes like Guest Education Award, Abdul Hamid Showman for Innovation, and the Queen Rania Prize for Entrepreneurship in Jordan. Our students complete more than 5 million experiments in our platform. And we are generating $150,000 last year, and we are growing 50% years over year.